gifts. Beautiful sunrise and an evening kiss of a nice sunset on the evening season. But she tell me say she tired of the exploit and the liars. She give them reggae, give them beaches, give them flowers and the ferns. All she got is abuse in return. But I say, don't you worry yourself, mama. Hey, Chronics is here to your help, mama. Ooh, I said, no worry yourself, mommy. One thing me I beg you do for me. And I say, smile, girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile. Hey, smile for me, Jamaica. Never you cry. Here am I, girl. I'm here for you, Jamaica. What must I try? Oh my, and that she asks me, and this I want me say, a sweet, sweet Chronics, you figure them, give them. The one drop beat on a rhythm. Are you give them bob with a different step in? Are you give them bolt, nobody can run left him. Boy, but see ya, them must see you out of idea. You give them art and sweet literature. You gonna make the world see the better picture. I said no worry yourself, mama. Chronics is here to your help, mama. Hey, I said no worry yourself, mommy. One thing me I beg you do. And I said smile, yeah, smile, boy. Smile for me, Jamaica. And I said smile, yeah, smile, ba 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 ba. For me, Jamaica.
Yeah, no, I've never been someone shy until I seen your eyes. Still I had to try, yeah. Oh yes, let me get my words right and then approach you. Woman, I'll treat you like a man is supposed to. You'll never have to cry, no. I know everyone can relate to when they find a special someone. And she's royal, yeah, so royal. So one of a kind, no. The way she moves to her own beat, she has the qualities of a queen. She's a queen. Ooh, ooh, what a natural beauty. No need no makeup to be a cutie. She's a queen.
She's a queen. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
No, I've never been someone shy until I seen your eyes. Still I had to try, yeah. Oh yes, let me get my words right and then approach you. Woman, I'll treat you like a man is supposed to. You'll never have to cry, no. I know everyone can relate to when they find a special someone. And she's royal, yeah, so royal. And I want her in my life. I never knew anyone so one of a kind, no. The way she moves to her own beat, she has the qualities of a queen. She's a queen. Ooh, ooh, what a natural beauty. No need no makeup to be a cutie. She's a queen. She's a queen. And when they ask what a good woman's made of, she's not afraid and ashamed of who she is. She's royal, yeah, so royal. And I need her in my life. I never knew anyone so one of a kind until the night that I seen your eyes. My queen, so supreme. I can see it in her eyes. The way she smiles. Hey, yes, I know the king and queen crown same time. So I never decide. Just stick with me through the trial times. Oh, and she says she no mind. Alright, I know good man is hard to find. And she can't about that giant line. That's why she has no ties at this time. Yeah, I know many men are trying, but she needs to be more than wine and dine, because she's royal, yeah, so royal. And I want her in my life. I never knew anyone so divine. The way she moves to her own beat, she has the qualities of a queen, so supreme. Ooh, ooh, what a natural beauty. No need no makeup to be a cutie. She's a queen, so supreme. Yeah, and when we ask for a woman's makeup, not afraid and not scared of.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your first Carolina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
I'll be down by the river, waiting for the good Lord to pass my way. Oh yeah, I'll be down by the river, singing songs of joy on this lovely day. Oh yeah, three singing birds told me by sunrise he's always there in the morning, praying and blessing the day. I've heard about this little tale long time ago, but never had the faith to believe in my soul. Now Mother Nature said to me, three little birds singing a song, convincing me it was so. Now I'm on my way. Anyone come to see me this day, tell them I'll be gone for the day. I'll be down by the river, waiting for the good Lord to pass my way. Oh yeah, I'll be down by the river, singing songs of joy on this lovely day. Oh yeah.
I've heard about this tale long time ago, but never have the faith nor believe in my soul. Yeah, yeah.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day. The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Tell me where we gonna run to when them say we have to pay for the oxygen we breathe. Answer me now, Mr. Big Man. You know this everybody want to go and go off for it. A simple life, it's all we want to live. Give me food, give me clothes, give me love and give me shelter, shelter. Simple life, it's all we want to live. Give me food, give me clothes, give me love and give me shelter, shelter. Yeah, wanna hear me please. This is when you sang me, I sing from the deep. Down in me, I tell me I feel like the weep. Only but thing I want where the people can't keep, can't sleep. But the furniture become your stuff is speed. You are the one to make life easy, same you and make it harder. After everybody mash up and there is nowhere to scatter. Tell me where we gonna run go after making our motherland a better place to lean. Tell me where we gonna run go. When them say we have to pay for the oxygen we breathe. Answer me now, Mr. Big Man. You know this everybody want to go and go off for it. A simple life. It's all we want to live. Give me food, give me clothes, give me love and give me shelter, shelter. Simple life. It's all we want to live. Give me food, give me clothes, give me love and give me shelter, shelter. Well then, enough of them sell out, sell out. Bun them sell out. Be selfishness, we see them sell out. Greedy life, speedy life. Them tell a lie. The truth they will always try to hide. Yeah, call a spread and don't call it a dagger. Living big at the expense of a brother. You don't have no pride, you think you rich, you is a robber. God never forsake the poor, boy. Call a spread and don't call it a dagger. Living big at the expense of a brother. You don't have no pride, you think you rich, you is a robber. God never forsake the poor. We gonna run go. After making our motherland a better place to live.
Full of vibes and things. Them say one feel it to them heart when them get few overstand the real thing. Yeah, the day I town one day, I found a white man who come all the way from Norway. And him turn to me and say, how comes Jamaica full of so much screw face? Same time he lift me head to the sky, and a teardrop fall from me high. Me say, man, you'd come and go out for a drive. Let me show you why me cry. Look on the gully side. Do you see anything to smile about? Look at that hungry child, yeah. Do you see anything to smile about? Look at the schools where the youth them go to get them education. Do you see anything to smile about? Look at the conditions of our police stations. Do you see anything to smile about? No. Same time the brother say, how can the nation be living this way? And the next thing him say, how can the government play so many games? Same time my heart fall to the ground, cause there's much more where that comes from. Certain place they are worse than slum. Youth man come and take a look on Riverton. Do you see anything to smile about? Look on Pienland, yeah. Do you see anything to smile about? Flankers, Mobe and Cyprus Heights in Spain. Do you see anything to smile about? Hope Flats, Kent, Motown, they're all the same. Do you see anything to smile about? No, no. No, 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 no.
Have a blessed day.
Oh, no, no. Oh, no, no. No, when me say, no people come to Jamaica and not know how we live things. Say everything nice, true, we full of vibes and things. Them same one feel it to them heart when them get for you overstand the real thing. When them look on the gully side, them no see nothing they fi smile about. When them look on a hungry child, yeah. Them no see nothing they fi smile about. When them look on the schools where the youth them got to get them education, them no see nothing they fi smile about. When them sight up the condition of the police station, them no see nothing they fi smile about. My story say, me day at town one day, I fall with a white man we come all the way from Norway. And me turn to me and say, how comes Jamaica full of
I'm feeling lonely, me na yanga woman jai tonight. Baby, yanga me ma wa feeling right. Me dim ya umbe, me ma wa ya nice, me ma wa ya fine. I'm feeling lonely, me na yanga woman jai tonight. Baby, yanga me ma wa feeling right. Me dim ya umbe, me ma wa ya nice, me ma wa ya nice. I'm thinking of you, yeah. I keep thinking of you. I'm feeling lonely, me Ahenkan, who I'm in charge tonight. Baby, Ahenkan, remember what feeling right. Me didn't know, remember why you're nice, remember why you're fine. I'm feeling lonely, me Ahenkan, who I'm in charge tonight. Baby, Ahenkan, remember what feeling right. Me didn't know, remember why you're nice, remember why you're fine. I'm feeling lonely.
Hello Ghana, this is your first Colleen and I'm tuning to Promotional Purposes.
Crying, would you save my soul tonight? Would you tremble if I touch your lips? Would you laugh, or would you please tell me this? Now would you die for the one you love? Only in your arms tonight. I can be a hero, baby. Oh, I can kiss the rain away. I will stand by you forever. Hey, you can take my breath away. Would you swear that you'll always be mine? Would you lie? Would you run by? Am I in too deep? Have I lost my mind? I don't care, you're here tonight. I can be a hero, baby. Oh, I can kiss the rain away. I will stand by you forever. Hey, you can take my breath away.
Have a blessed day.
You can take my breath away. Only baby, I wanna be a hero. Oh, am I in too deep? Have I lost my mind? I don't care, you're here tonight. I can be a hero, baby. Oh, I can kiss the rain away. Hey, I will stand by you forever. Oh, you can take my breath.
Have a blessed day. The Big Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Tears from my eyes. In times when the storms and the tides are raging high, we know we shall win. Yeah. We know we'll survive. Yeah. Jah shall wash away all the tears. Ooh, in this time of destruction, we must hold on firm. We got to get along, being over hurdles, all of the mountain tops. Forward on, we all are marching on. We say, Jah shall wash away all the tears from my eyes. In times when the storms and the tides are raging high, we know we shall win, and we know we'll survive. Yeah. Jah shall wash away all the tears.
The
Yeah.
Big Morning Show. The Big Morning Show. Have a
We
blessed
must
day.
win the fight. Ooh, when the wicked try come and eat upon thy flesh, we know that Jah, He is the best. Over trials
In times when the storms and the tides are raging high, we know we shall live, we know we shall survive, yeah. Just shall wash away all the tears. That's right, so music from Grant Morgan. And of course, this one wash away, of course. Beautiful Wednesday morning, 42 minutes after 10, folks. Your friend, your Jenny, me jump on Cobina Boatin, call me Cobina Costi. Right, so I woke up this morning and this song was playing in my head. And I'll play the sorry, and I knew where born my dreams are. And I'm posting on my status. I don't know why. Trust me, I don't know why. But I'll play my sorry in them. I woke up around 3:30. 3:30 a.m. Now, anyway, born my dreams are Grant Morgan, beautiful song. Shall we bring the song back? This is not a smiling song, not at all. Grant Morgan, and of course, this one wash away, beautiful song. Just shall wash away all the tears from my eyes. In times when the storms and the tides are raging high, we know we shall live, we know we shall survive, yeah. Just shall wash away all the tears of distractions.
We must hold on firm. We got to get along. Being over hurdles, all of the mountain tops. Forward on, we all are marching on.
Hey, cause Jah shall wash away all the tears from my eyes. In times when the storms and the tides are raging high, we know we shall live, we know we shall survive, yeah. Jah shall wash away all the tears. And of course, most definitely, Jah shall wash away all the tears from our eyes. I love this song. Trust me. I don't play anyway. I bought me dreams. I said, no, if I don't play this song on radio today, I will die. And no one bought me dreams. I bought me dreams. I'm a friend Chaka Shama Wado Casa Fidia 293.3 of them once again. This is the midweek edition of Ejuma. And I should like a share point command production team, Emmanuel Jumo, DJ Shabo, Kobe K. Of course, we are on from now to 12 p.m. I'm a friend Chaka Share be my fan command, Mr. Orbin. Good morning. Shabo, new message. I know. Man, for Steve of Sound Force Ventures and also Encore Informa Mr. Chumasi Care No Fashion and sending for you any back up. Or what to say, Mr. William Beck on the Mac who more chim sending better man quine and a pay me jamo. Our friends, good morning and come on Nash. I watch my son do myself. Them Pabuana was a covenant catch on some the Brunya the Anaba. It's Brunya Pabuana Gumusa. Good morning, come on, Nanaya, or Bompire Junction. I'm for you when come on Natural Look Biguchi Saloon. Come on, Comforts, Daisy, and now for you to Kate. And I'm a baby girl, no small girl, Mamiama, and Ananawa. SDA Junction, good morning. And come on, Bra Michael, Exclusive Beauty Saloon. And now for you, and come on, the Almighty Mahana. Oh, no girls, Ningina, by now. Oh, my busy. My busy, big chicken call, if you try Jenny any day. Come on, I sent it. Good morning, come on, Wina. And now for you, parties golden seasons. I said, our beauty saloon. Good morning. Dependable Beauty Salon, good morning. And now for Mama Vida. Mama Vida with Jubilee Bridge in this one. Good morning and come out.
Still wicked in high and low places. No matter what they do,
yeah, you want to say, oh, Company Junction. I don't pay me chow. DJ Lion Charities for Ashin. When I'm more Company Junction. Emmanuel Amauga will always. And also a very big good morning. And come on, me and me about go per Kwame Taylor. Kwame, I don't pay what's today. Kwame, I don't pay any my boy and come on, what is it? Aha, just wash away your tears. Okay, hello, Master, Mr. Sari, more quality for Liberty Transport for and I'm more. And check us and come on, Prof P. Halfway and come on, Brad David, Apostle Raouf, MP3, Obama, come on, Stagger, Obatampa, Jonathan, Medeshare, Ambrose, Richmond, Jerry, Apia, Amos.
We must hold on.
And come on,
we got to get along.
Yeah, Kubona, Chalapia, Piero, Braquamio Cache, and all the taxi drivers in town. And make sure in common mom share in so way Facebook. You can as well leave a message, and trust me, I'll give you a live mention. And wait to me, so send a message for 0533898915. And then Wednesday, and of course, daily days of motivation, said we bro. And then say we have one-on-one interview in the house as well. And can you see DJ Shabo? Right, so Shabo, Afrin and Renazo, Maminchia, Madam Pat, Madam Maggie, Madam Vera, and Najwa, bring the song back. Me see, I home at 3:30, then you will warm me dream. A boy son, but I'm sure this song, I don't know, maybe I may not be Kasama Mobi, but I'm very much aware Bekasa Mobi this morning. Grams Morgan, and he calls this one Wash Away or Wash the Tears. Beautiful reggae music. Let's go.
We shall
have a blessed day.
Don't you cry, don't you cry, yeah. 'Cause Jah shall wash away all the tears from my eyes. In times when the storms and the tides are raging high, we know we shall win, yeah. We know we'll survive, yeah. Jah shall wash away all the tears.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed
In
day.
this time of destruction, we must hold on firm. We got to get along, being over hurdles, all of the mountain tops. Forward on, we all are marching on. We say, Jah shall wash away all the tears from my eyes. In times when the storms and the tides are raging high, we know we shall win, and we know we'll survive, yeah. Jah shall wash away all the tears, yeah. We know we must win the fight. Ooh, when the wicked try come and eat upon our flesh, we know that Jah, He is the best over trials and tribulations, because Jah shall wash away all the tears from my eyes. In times when the storms and the tides are raging high, we know we shall win, and we know we'll survive, yeah. Jah shall wash
shall wash away all the tears.
In this time
Of destruction.
we must hold on firm. We got to get up.
Right, so happy birthday.
Being overheard.
Right, so I want to use this opportunity to wish a powerful man of God, a very good friend of mine. I mean, I respect this guy so much.
We say,
Oh, yeah,
wash away all
Apostle,
tears from my
really wise. Today happens to be your birthday. Me, I call him prophet. Yeah.
eyes already.
So really wise, and then your birthday, happy birthday, man of God. Nyankopon yo Kasiebo na oma wakoma so ade nyina mbre mu. Empire me bo ama when then say oma wa dom ne nyekese. Nyankopon fa unduru akire. On fa won ko titrufuo mu na oma wo ministry no enye kese na ngidi ewi asafa na nyina na wo Jesus Christ di mu. Empire me bo ama me nua ade ne happy birthday. Really wise.
Here's the best. Over trials and tribulations, because Jah shall wash away
All the tears from my eyes.
in times when the
Right, so I want to pay a daily dose of motivation. You know.
raging high, we
I had here what me and Kayan fire no man fun to your home for.
know we'll survive.
Young fire no man about a grand small gun you and fun to your home for. What do you think? Because motivation message in there had there. I say the only thing standing between you and outrageous success is continuous progress. You need discipline. Yeah.
The wicked in
I know the motivational message in there. But Shani and no one coming on me say me honestly, I'm being very honest. I don't know why. Anyway, I know part two. I hear my post on my WhatsApp status.
eyes. In
I
time
hear my post. And I don't know why. It kept playing in my head the song.
we know
We shall live. We know we will survive.
we'll survive.
Jah shall wash away all the tears. I was like, why?
Wash away
Why?
all the tears.
You born me trim zare.
In this time,
Me assure say na Nyankopon na make us. It's with the my fire daily dose of motivations in to chain and there. Young fire dey in to chain.
get along
You soon sabo fa nyom no sha se bi na fa you soon no fa 2 year ho for.
all of them.
You fa nyom no 2 year ho for.
Be hard.
Because you said this times mra ye dru no emu aye dem pa man kofo bebre esu people are having so much thoughts, negative ones of course. Omo hu ni omo yo omo ho bebre na ka say na menya me ho den ni na me nkoya den this Sarkodie song, the new one or time, there's a verse in the song that says Akan community suicide, I was pushed to the edge. Right? You see, there are some people, I mean, no Kasasi say and one. Baby, people are contemplating. Should I do this? Should I commit suicide? Should I do this? Listen.
We must hold on
We are seeing Koni yet. What I say?
to get along.
Undru baby.
Get over hurdles all of the mountains.
Undru baby. Minim shawo cancer na menyi and I'm record. Yes, yenim. Yenyi emreko. You show your age, na say you show your account to man.
Jah shall wash
Correspondent and your fair.
all the tears.
We shall fear when ya show account to man. Sike gumuno and fata fear. But when him say Nyankopon the one day pebeti masa sama braba ma.
We know we shall
Yeah.
win.
You will live, you will survive.
We'll survive.
Just one day God or Jah
Jah shall wash
will wash away all the tears.
all the tears.
There's gonna be one day and there be about what's now say Busan will say
We know
so was I the same person some years back, some time ago? I used to cry son.
can try
I'm
come.
between Susan and Busan was never me kwa bo me saying ye.
We
Maybe be about Busan was a question. Now saying I think some Monday I may can say. Now when name she see and Nyankopon shut down no do famous. He knows you're struggling. Yes. Because of testimony here.
Jah shall wash
What I say, send a Nyankopon you nyambe dead in tea. It's not now name it's just a matter of time. The Nyabu Trefama
raging high.
Nyabu Trefama hopa. You know when the thighs are raging high and when you keep believing in God, when you have him, you have so much confidence in God that just one day he's gonna wash away all the tears. I'm a patcho.
We keep
Ebe farmer.
fighting.
What I say?
Fighting.
Ebe fa the amount. I don't know why you're born you and open and open and you born with him. I mean, in point, say, Nipa 10 and 8 years, she say, I had 8 and you will be Casadia Mamma. But I'm having this feeling this morning. It's like something is speaking. Someone is speaking to me. Someone is speaking to me. Because normally, there are songs I play in the morning, and there are songs that comes to me. Like this song, it just came to me. I woke up singing this song. I don't know why. I just want you to relax and believe in God. What you say? Believe in God. You won't say. Last year, the first night, you went to pray. You went to ask God for so many things. I mean, over cancer, I can't few days. Now I feel not gonna be but yeah, I only yanko pon so soon who cran and say I could cram bemo. Papa Jotty. Now Shane, I eat your gospel. I must almost say it to you. Oh, and you wear me the pants. I am say, and you never the pan. Or this or the me, Kosia, or this year, there's a certain song like that. Yeah. It's in Yanko Ponchana, or the way see this year. 2022, Obompire Beach Reno. And you were expecting the results this year. But Mbaye, or the way see 2023. But I say, or prepare with 2023. 2024, and or do better man sign. 2024 and not do new money EBP. Now, but Tracy, get him upon say, Unin, and who will be our year in 10 7 when you do baby now call it. You didn't tell as soon as we see Uncle Pony. But just one day, he will wash away your tears. 3.3 FM. I can't 1 minute spend a break, but I want us to listen to this song again. Charlie, bring the song back for me. Yeah. Come tell us the message, my Akan go break. So come tell us my next morning. But before then, let me read this message first before Kwame's message. This one says, "Good morning, Kosti. I wish you a Merry Christmas. You are doing a good. You are doing a great job. Thank you. I really appreciate. See, these messages, some of these messages, boosting me morale. Yeah. Now let me read Kwame's message. And then Kwame say, "What we are a dinner or that was moving." Or say. I wish Nelson is listening. Where is he? He in office there or you house? He go house, okay. Nelson, there's a message here for you. What's it Kosti? Tell Nelson, tell Nelson must be stay away for my girl, Evelyn. I see you, Nelson, life is sweet. I see you, Nelson. Life is sweet. Stop Evelyn and do your radio. Because Evelyn is not your size, Dr. Kwame Taylor. Kwame Taylor, the doctor can't do. What? I said life is sweet. It's nursing. My missus will be wow. I said Kosti, tell a nursing. Tell a nursing must be stay away. No, I will be anywhere. I say must be stay away from my girl, Evelyn. I see you nursing. Life is sweet. Stop Evelyn and do your radio because Evelyn is not your size, Dr. Kwame Taylor. And no, Kwame Taylor, friend. Doctor Watson. You see your Dr. Kwame Taylor. Henceforth, we'll be our friend of Kwame Taylor. Your Dr. Kwame Taylor. Doc, one need the annual the upon life is sweet, you know. You're threatening, who threatening? Are you threatening the guy? Life is sweet, say. Just say, oh, Jano, one better than Kwanswana. I was here, I was here. Why? There Wednesday. I mean, just about having fun and all of that. Next thing, we are all from McCarthy Hills now. We John one come tell about Tom Council. Or say life is sweet. Stop Evelyn and do your radio.
I swear. Nyamianim Ukraine said bread Dania. I was also Danny B. Preferland Hotel. Wow, what a hotel. Messi, Mitri Miami do. Me wife you wahin. Bessinian ko Preferland weekend CB. Esan say, bia o kope as what rufie. Bia bi wo ho. Management no so tight. Wo mo nipa mo do. And into Ukraine Japan. Bessinian ko Preferland Hotel. Say who the birthday party. Oh worry. And ye na dey wo ba fi. Program bia. Bowra Preferland Hotel. Dentia or car park kesia or baby green grass and kwada diagro kama na nipunu eya kona be international standard ujali na kone safa filter mu punu su ujali a unse yes ujali ni pensio akona nkasa Preferland Hotel or wadan ya udro bebre asa uju ani bra onya busan benya baby ada na so no kanjiman's go no problem ebonu sie ku enya nunku so pensa no ma awdo bia ya tuntumbo Preferland Hotel enyum tietia so abri bia eninti achum dan manso ene ne mpatamfo ni na cross for mo she ho Preferland Hotel bamamo nanu masem de bia wo kwasia de bia aye pool party esanso e mutual special brabe didi na se dwale Preferland Hotel e wa chimanso wudu ani atere achum dan kwa no so na Presby school na chipe fresh 0551 187-926 and now say 0507-640-302 Preferland Hotel Fresisia near Bama. Ebrenaso Ghana Premier League 2023-2024 season. This is a soccer season. I'm Panebeja, your best radio station in the East. Ahenkan 93.3 FM at the solid sports presentation and the live commentary every all the league centers. Channel so self frames oil energy on the go and then Ahenkan 93.3 FM Edon Tuma Boma a few way Ghana Premier League no baby bia commentary better from no ye gina ho frames oil and Ahenkan 93.3 FM and the commentary ebro anuti so we drop ni na wo petrol papa diesel papa fuel awudi bagu kem na do ba kwa jojo na do ba jojo man kwasa engine dia frames oil yan and ye wo affordable product say diesel and petrol ya boni da form chi wo bia de anuti baby bia we shankani a wonam who frames oil filling station per move ho na ko bugum frames oil energy on the go afewe Kumasi Asante Kotoko Matema phobia Accra House of Folk never say down till the bones are rotting. Great Olympics Olimashe Olinkonson Konson Dreams FC Midjama Football Club and Avufra Aka me say watch out for your sports host Joshua Kwabena Ejanim Ena Kofi Ejiri yeah the live commentary and Ebremo live on Ahenkan 93.3 FM Frames Oil energy on the go. Stand up for the champ. It's the fame. I'm up for I feel ya 20. Sunday. Eya wo so wo gas se wo ko gas filling station na wa kwa filling se si ade ya te wo breso max gas filling station ya de motokia enena mu ba bia wo bia se wo frɛ na ye beba be fa gas no na ya kwa filling na ya san ene wade abrew emfa ho ene ba bia wo hye ye hia ne se wo be frɛ ye na ye ne wo edin sa wo so max gas filling station ye fill gas no ama na ye ma na ya san so ene wade abrew e wo waboboa no. Otra Razanda Ketuebia, Max Energy Gas Filling Station. Yeni Edikain. Enti Bomodin Sobefre, Max Energy Gas. Awa Humaiso 0558 422163. Anase 0554 391610. Max Energy Gas. Ya base ya babe bo bibiara.
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense Wabek.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediamus somewhere hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the one, Neddy Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarua who ran Nipa and Yina etimi banaso, and in Yarua Cassian. Wutini di ene ho ka na oyamwa hyew nyina no ebo ye ho ban afri home en na womo mpa omo wanyarewa ne dada na omo nom doctor enuro no enom imbusaba mesa no a emo mo ahoden pintin ya womo ntimpo se yare ase omo ho imbusaba mesa ewo kansi ene o man mu babia ye to enuro atufo mfre 0246 208496 imbusaba mesa police ni no edro no Enkratwe FDA asayase.
Hi, you're from your foreman. Mejuma Sweni, ain't you obia pemasem? So, what do you do, my shamisa? Mesha say, we seek our enco waste. Ain't you? Me Tomino Manina free jump trading enterprise. Mr. Mensa, Anna, Chairman Mensanche, and Tisawo Cement, Gasem, Diamond, Anna says, Simaf, Nina, Ubenye be ato, Mr. Mensa, Anna Chairman Mensanche, Open Nadwa, all inches, iron rolls, 16mm to quarter rolls, POP, plaster balls, skin off, Papa Panibi, fiber, set tinting anatetia, open barrels, center panels, corner moldings, wall angles, plywood, bind wire, Anna Empo, Opa Butchery paints, home champ, big another small size, Nina, Ubenye Biatowo, Champ Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensa, Anasa Chairman Mensan Cheng, Owaka Meni Junction, Onijaji, and a Dinshanim, friend 0208 123 872, Anna 0244 566 880, Champ Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensana, what's a bra, Nani Buono, edit that form.
Driver, na for me ko on body ensa wom herbal clinic. Na me for many coach amansa ko ka dientia. Obi ane ne yade ko hodo mo a. Won fa ne yade ensa mafie biu. Na onya na yaresa. Wo fa ni besi na me fa nko. Na so kwadwo ayaresa. Mo yade say yade bia how bia okwa a ombesa hwe. Yade bi say stroke, hypertension, fibroid, infertility, diabetes, hepatitis, hypertension, sexually transmitted disease, prostate cancer, infertility, and asempo. Ujale na wuti ho saa, wuti ho ngria obo wa kuhu mesra. Yade aka wa to dem. Yade bia how bia. Wudi kopie mo obo ade ensa wo mu heba clinica. Wombeti ne te say ye funu yade ana wuti pai wuntumi ngo bema ana oba ntumi ngo. Oba wo ne bema da wo huntumi nsane wo. Bema wo de boss wo anu agemu. Yade be ne hawo. Wonase na atatai ana wa hohono moja broswo ana wini moja wani ase ye fita say ye nkrodo yade bia help bia obo ade ensa wo mu heba clinic timi say 10 say 100 cedis 120 150 ekwesi 200 Ghana cedis obema ho adura akwa akonom ama watimi anya wapom di amapa na say wukoyi folder wukohu doctor ye screening ehunu ba bia yade ne hye ni nyina ye free mitwika wo krom ha obia formation ya ne ho adanse enko an odie doctor no ya de wabene kwana kwaje ayalehwe oba de ensa wo mu heba clinic ewo achim odan ada eben masalachi so mills wonom pe number no 0532333372.
Hey, na den e ko so amani agi say.
What's in so when I think it try no Vicky pass papa. Even mathematics onya A1, science A1, social studies A1, English language A1. Wa pass ankasa.
Hey, na school ben no eni omo yade o.
Only believe senior high. Woman man kanya crowd. Teachers for no woman penny papa.
Hey, me buy ko tro ne de enye crowd. Hey, maths nye.
Faniko only believe.
English yenye.
Faniko only believe.
Science so enye crowd.
Oh, me say Faniko only believe senior high. Omo ya courses ni nyina. E penny for sister Banchinya. E Janet chere. Abofra no dia wo sister ni tia bon na wo hu hwe ya. Faniko only believe. Afi omo mo tro so hwe ni nyina pa. I'm a friend in your dad, yo. Hey, BC, so I want to try. Yes, I will pass you. I won't pass you. And I can only believe. As I see, I'm in the work as I know. Woman be admission. I want to change my friend. Form 1, Form 2. I'll call you the one who must see. I make a say.
Hey, and you when you are me, they say.
Yeah, can't you? As a body, anyone you didn't come for. Only believe a papa. Our friend, a couple and it's already there. Quite be a school match. I for me first number for not passing it. One school visits to the end. They bought a phone book. But my piano installment. I can't crack on this about friend baby school. School, your piano brought on my one side admission. School visit the crowd here. I'm an that dream. What the answer would do any match them? I will only believe senior high. And if I want to more, I Tim go to another friend 0240 202 148 another 0247 670 736 and 0500 041 317. Only believe senior high school. Yeah, call.
MP's Christmas Football Festival in Afibiano. As said, the whole 25th December 2023, the copying 1st January 2024. Ewo Achim Shedro Astrotef no so 16 teams and Ajipini say Obesi Akan Ewo Afie MP's Christmas Football Festival imu 16 teams nina Obi abenya appearance fee of 1,000 Ghana cedis, football and a set of jersey. This year, Team Bena Oji Cup nesin naso winner ebenya 2,000 Ghana cedis, any trophy. Second team ebenya 1,005 Ghana cedis, any trophy. Na fei team ebetoso miensanso enya 1,000 Ghana cedis, any trophy. 25th December, copying 1st January 2024. Yen na ye shem ajieni ewo Achim Swedro Astrotef neso. Team se eba ne bene eduasa akoti apoli adiamra bebiane ha awisa etuntumrem coupon. Any teams in Kaya ewo Achim Swedro nyina. Enkaiboy efi Office of the Member of Parliament Achim Swedro constituency Honorable Kennedy Osenyako Ejumera. Media partners Bosomi FM, Achimansa FM, Ofi FM, Ahenkan FM, Community FM. MP's Christmas Football Festival. Nijenkwa. Honorable Kennedy Osenyako Ejumera Tuaso.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hello, Ghana. This is your girl Frescalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kosti.
Tell you what happened. You send the mix. Right, you have the baby, yeah? Yes, Adwani pata pata, empenyi ni sentino. Sasa mi tuilo. Nanka mina metrali na sade ya sauka tani mungu. Adwani pata pata, empenyi ni sentino. Sasa mi tuilo. Angelina Kometo, eja shiberi sasa. Makarena kema puga. Shikome. Angelina Kometo, eja shiberi sasa. Makarena kema puga. Shigome, Eja Shiberuga Sasa, Eja Kongo Boy, Makarena Kamapuka, Shigome, Eja Shiberuga Sasa, Eja Kongo Boy, Makarena Uka Danso, Shigome, Angelina Nkuto, Sasa Shiberuga Sasa, Makarena Namapuka, Shigome, Angelina Nkuto. Sasa Makarena de Mapuka Shikome Sasa Shuperune Sasa Sasa Kongoni Bae Makarena de Mapuka Shikome Sasa Shuperune Sasa Sasa Kongoni Bae Makarena Sone Danso Shikome Angelina to me Besa Chano Sidia Yasa Bobby Brown Mary go Don't be shy baby do steps to your back, front, and back. Wait a minute, girl. Don't forget to put your hand away, up when it's down. Now shake your belly, left, right, front, back, turn around and smile. Hey, now wait a minute, girl. Don't forget to put your hand away, up when it's down. Now shake your belly, left, right, front, back, turn around and smile. Hey, now wait a minute, girl. Don't forget to put your hand away, up when it's down. Now shake your belly, left, right, front, back, turn around and smile. Angelina Nkuto. Angelina Dokakwe. Otome was on the woman, Mr. Penning Bono, Angelina Nkuto. Angelina Dokakwe. Otome was on the woman, Mr. Penning Bono, Angelina Nkuto. Sasa Shibarune Sasa. Makarena ni Mapuka.
First Carolina, and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kwesti.
You don't need to be told, baby. Come on. And girls scream, run a little bound, run a little bound, run a little bound.
Hello Ghana, this is your First Carolina, and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kwesti.
Cool me a ferry. Cool me a ferry, Right, so 90 minutes after 11. Music from Kweshi Darlington, Decrying. Because this one kill me sharp. Kwame Taylor Bekunipa. Right, so BA Quanson says digging the monitoring via Facebook. Straight from Awosh. Sending greetings to .D's of St. Augustine's College in Cape Coast. Champion Nana Ozu says, Kosti, I'm really enjoying your show. I'm fresh Nana inside Abo. AB Town. Abo. AB Town. Na my friend and I said, "Nkola na school na ba no." Mami bi ka say, "And I met si abu kroma na computer me ba to kungrungu." And I say, "Na kungrungu de. Akola kwa de kungrungu from abu." And say, "Plane sunny o. When there was all money trap plane here there. It mami, when plane ticket there was all my akola for VIP. I just so travel 3 days work on as well go school." My vacancies no be fear na me sem na be fear and so gra travel 3 days work on so ba no abre oba so timi dabe 1 week ni ade ah I have mama tie man tana abo ma kola nko school kungurugu I only believe senior high school e kokrontu mi hey only believe senior high school e kokrontu mi hey now ma kwala free abo abo kungurugu there be show only believe senior high school ayo school ba ko pimo ye Eastern Regional Proman Temanama if a school no senior e mofra ni twa no e fe keke akona keke se abofra be ko school na wentwa wan ko school ni kreye but abofra ko school no twa na wo awofo no we proud of her or him na we ni gina with me the to so ekwa bi a junior na next training college na teacher training college bi a who say
Sabi 1 to Sikengu. Papacho only believe senior high school Edge Mofra from SS1, SS2 to SS3. You know, Fabafano Chafaho. Wamwa Musu school no Ebiana Wenya school. Only believe is a bra. Don't worry. My man will no problem crap. Fabafano bra. Only believe senior high school. Baby idea Bafano toy so be a wow for one ninja home. Only believe senior high school. Home economics, general science, general agriculture, science, agric science, and your science nangaza. Then you know, general arts and office of visual arts, secondary technical and business courses. And you know, Shawoba, only believe senior high school, complete SHS and Aoba. And you say, over the Agrobia. Shannon song, say a more frano money 2022. What's your motroy and a more frano? I would try you upon 98%. More frano in a try much as a Omonia University, we are Cornadia. No part of just form 1, form 2 as well. And the Fao Banabra, Uniana Warfare, Fanico only believe senior high school. You are a chimco cron to me. I a bank of Aridia. Frame 0240 202 148. That's 0247 670736. 0247 670736. Only believe. Let's say all things are possible. Don't cool ventures. I pay. Yeah, call festive. I mean, 6 in the morning. What is the next week? Brunya. I don't know what. The next week, Brunya. The boys but sinkunya Charlie men fedo no boys move sinkunya no girls but sinkunya ya boys but sinkunya ya come back and say me na me farm phone be say ye di femodi ye bie ye di wa ha brothers what just what was basing Kunya, no, I don't cruise ventures. Monkona won't compare and sound great, you know. What I say? Hey, Dr. Kwame telling you, bro, she message body about. Don't cool ventures about your wholesale and retail of club and get these products. Sales of soft and alcoholic beverages. Distributors of Casa Procure products, Salombo, K20, Black Rock, Tonic Wine, Dry Gin. First, all products are sold at lowest wholesale prices. You watch, yes, Sunny Star Plaza, Bruce, Hanasi Pine, I'll be Hunya Chimabo, Domain Road, and I'll be Hun Don Cruise Ventures. Report offer was 0555 486 990 and 0556 252 668. Tell even that's his number. Check it here. No, check it here. Mighty power. Now I just say AC walk putty. I would use a mighty power. I get it company. A chopper. A company a chopper. Now mighty power. Now mighty power. You see, it works on the veins, blood and nervous systems. You know, sometimes it works excellent for women who experience extreme pains during menstruations and those who have tiny feelings in their limbs. For those who may have lost the feeling altogether. And you know, mighty power and Dre Obama, a queer for any athletes. Woman, America, Bobo, call high jump near the because a high jump. Now, William, so yeah, I'm holding Juma. Mighty power and drone by year pan. So we are holding Juma. Mighty power drone wow. Or call Jim. If I sometimes won't feel it okay and all of that. Mighty power is here to sort you out. What I say? Bama your monkey kitty be a problems be a man when I'm here or ya near digging now. Mamma, I would tackle Jom and halfway. What my coil a 4 money at the end of mighty power and drone ever wow. I'll call for myself a drugstore be a bear. na wakɔpɛ bi atɔ afei nso yɛwɔ skin ointment na your skin ointment it takes care of the skin problems in fact ɛma waso yɛ ayɛhye no wobɛhu nice boy ɛnso na problems nketenkete bi agye wedeɛ no fa bɛhu fine girls na kyɛ sɛ tuntum kɔkɔɔ ne adeɛ multicolored ɛnyɛ fine Mr. Mighty Power your skin ointment no Mr. sɛ wo nsa ka bi a ɛbɛma wedeɛ no is smooth and sexy yo your body is growing bɛpatwɔ kɔpɛ bi a no saa Open your skin ointment in your mouth already. I come upon Mighty Power, your S Power, a treaty cocoa issues to be ano. S Power number 2 I see the amount. A bit 2 I see the amount. And to cocoa the you 2 I see a simple cry. You were Lazar TV so I don't know. One with deep pan on the idea now. Say you would tell me at the idea of Funa Bozo. The festival body, Unyabak, would do pan or sa. Yeah, 7 years. Papa Job, baby. Now, also no mini idea, and wow. Mighty Power and drone in shorts, a boy, papa. Someone try that. The patch of fee and they conformity and as a drugstore. Also copy answer. We are about fra when you fear do me no amen try we your bad time we your painful woman about friend who I don't sort of men kohokra. The patch of 0242 7250090 0243 122192. Mighty Power CAC ho poti po. I just said tea this also. You got from Pon Enterprise. From Pon watch Chomodan, Madarina Hotel Ashehwa, and I'll be home from Pon Enterprise. Now, my catcher said, bring your eBay da. Not just say Adriana would you know, and never trust bring your yaya with them. Because Ultimate got to say to Jimmy Rice Bia, now Franco, Jollof, and I deal with fear. About a hot one about a mobile cock. What I say, a hot one about now money to Jimmy Rice. I say, the palm across the idea and I did the ingredient. Papa chalk off from Pon Enterprise and perfume rice, Papa Pan, local rice, Papa Pan, the head deck. Now the dear Mutu, the dear Jollof, the dear rice is still near there. Nigga from Pon Enterprise, Brandon sort to out. Now, when it comes to cooking oil, so we are Maunia, Litano, those are Menya, fever beanie a day, baby. You walk correct cooking oils, there was sunflower, there was Unoli, there was fried thaw. And Papa na can now be away as well. Now when it comes to biscuits, all kinds of biscuits, toffees and susa, a bano next to product so I say Milo Nido. Yeah, called bring your head and be chatty and I say Digobe. I say, I will chatty and upon say Digobe and you try you want. I just say Temala Tola. Eddie German is a find some Qualanquala or fear. You be a party the amount of Brunia. I say, honorable Abbey, Qualanquala party near the when Chihonia, the honorable I know do the actual from Pon Enterprise. What I say, drink shop or now I could pay me. And I call him Qualanquala birthday, Qualanquala party near the Namawan is a Michelle from Pon Enterprise. You be a shop for Frokra, our new market hall. At Chemodan new market, Drew Honoma, but we shall be beer upebiano, Ubenebiato from cosmetics to provisions to drinks to any hardware stationaries near Dina. Ubenebi away from Pon Enterprise. Me patch of friend was 0244 897525 0206 953 0242 111236 from Pon Enterprise. Jumera. Also, what the Papa check? Jam Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mason, Chairman Mason. Your bunny the sorry, near Tuche, near Buye Mwase. Because Papa, wait, send your one conform Potemano Joe, one Casabra never soche. Oh, yes, Brana Soche, Mr. Mason, the patrol, Bana dance here, whom your man in China, Benya Papanibiato. When it comes to building materials, will Cruman on the air. Mr. Mason, Manina plug. What do I say? Manina plug.
As you compare Gasem, Sima, Diamond, Cement, near Dina, Afo is a carpenter for Uncle Pen Nadwa, Uncle Pe Iron Rods, Uncle Pe POP, plaster balls, fiber, Uncle Pe Marine balls, center panels, corner moldings, wall angles, Lina, Uncle Jam Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mesa, Ubeni Atanis, I'm a part of the chair coin, and why a chim or da, on a Jaji, the new Shenim, our coming junction, Chanitum, it was 0208 123 872 0244 566 880. Jam Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mesa, was why a cradle. Baby, how free baby are of one CI review when Chin Quanta, Nani at the Adina, over short 2 hours. Now, I'm a found Kobe be back up at the whole Ghana hospital. The whole Ghana hospital, what is it? By a Frakoma Community Hospital. A Frakoma Community Hospital, a walk West Municipality. No, the shell Uni be war for be one Kasana, a chono. I say, as a bed them for Robini and Demi Patrol. I dear back where you are, I only experience maybe I am that. And you're true, and you're true that I am you. Maybe the Adonanka sign it down. Oh, I'm Paul. Number 2016, me jarre and I'm doing Sako Kame Sana, the new Miami and San. And then I am me. And you faster and you go in the area. I mean, it's the Vino da who said, oh, me, Massam Kasiebo Americans, this is my first time I can radio. The jarre and who now if you say flex, but if Sakam say, 1, 2, 3, 8, Martin I am and Sunday, let me Mammy say, Would me back? That didn't come to Ojai. Bring your man to me, who your man. Yeah, Koyo, Kona Koyi, yes, dear. I can see our sober shopper. A Frakoma Community Hospitals, our doctors are. One more betting your boy, now you through the amount simple cry. What I say? I first on the banner nurses for so I almost sorry. One more ding come on. One more animal things why a Frakoma Community Hospital. About the midwives, CNG, I war pop and man, hey, a more ball, how do you enjoy? Frakoma Community Hospital, our Amasama Stadium Road, the patch of 0597 005963 0597 005963. Kayan Tum na I am wa baby, oh, be a channel how we are. Yeah, but 2 car be foul, and yeah, be you channel. I say, and Germany. Honorable Bakuba didn't come all the way from Achunwenji. Brad Nelson. No money up here. Okay. Nelson, they can't send you some message me. But anyways. Big shout out and come Jane. Jane. Big shout out and come out. Shabuzi. Yanko, okay. Right, so any honorable Ako Isaac, right? Yeah, any honorable Ako Isaac from Wenchi. Ebabe D and Komo. I think it's next week Tuesday, yeah. Next week Tuesday, and about to air Koso. When you can send me hoko, more when you go. I don't know about any kind of winding one year who send your hot answer. Nah, yeah, by who said, on our around, it's the Roche. As I was a fine gentleman, power white. I don't know what in Kunimariana. Yakacha was wedding Kunimari. Wow, Phyllis a wedding Kunimari. They be a saying at home. Maybe I'm me in white. They be a yeah. Wow. So when the mechanics are in white and the mechanical history kakra hanamo because in confusion me omu busa me dey bia mechanical reason behind it and one for him. Say I didn't know they be also white. They be also white. Ona wakwaba.
Minya, me so.
Ibi aboko de.
Obo ade adom na so e.
Akopa ndo me ho den pa, me ho den se ashawo fo mpa. Bibia hye nya dia.
Ada ashawo fo mpa mu odin.
Yes blocks nyegu ase.
Yes blocks nyegu ase. I have smart.
Yes blocks go ase ntino enye de dini ade. Right, before me no wedding come, me for big shout out say come part also did that day. Before big shout out say for come level 360 pub. Yeah, so the best chance here, I am the official MC for level 360 pop. Ewa mantra ono ma. Yesha say Ziggy Bikito bunya sheshe ho dia. Yeko shabo mu do ko ya say. Level 360. Ewa mantra wa afani eba chance, me na me official MC. Itino yesha say ya na yakose ho dia na. Ono ba kwa ba wi.
Yeah, me just.
Atmosphere ne wo wenchi ne te say no oba no.
Oh. Atmosphere na cool so one him say enra na ye holiday Tuesdays na agi ahome.
Okay.
Enti na Wednesday there. Na so be akona djuma so.
Be akona djuma so a. When she kura mani jun.
I say wow ni den jambo ma there.
Yeah.
Ba ma me fa akonya we so na me nchia when chiman ni na. Na me mani so sene omo eboje me so sene omo jeme fa. Inti many so inti me fa kwanya we so chia obi biara o wanchi biara.
Right, honorable yanko straight to our conversation. Yanko panya ma next week. And me dey about to no ehhehhe so. Ba na chese aye gidi. Enko anko si enwumri an na de chinye de na chese obi ehuni afa ne ade a o campaign kosen e wo wanchi.
Oh, campaign de yeguso kakra. So on say esi ahemfo ho nti omo na tumi no se bita frache e wo mo nsem obetimi aye biara ba se esi ahemfo ana nyame nsi wo he na esi ahemfo ensi wo he na se bita frache oye ne kwa obetimi akọ edan e wo wanchi ana efie wo wanchi ni na enso se nyame nsi wo he na esi ahemfo anje antuma obetimi aye ne kwa.
Wow. If you see ahemfo asama okay, how are they accepting your message? How they more?
Oh, mo jitum cause obi a what mem biara ade a wo hwehwe say at the end of it no or at the end of the whole tenure of life no obi hu say woman impuntuo and osha enye bra me be assembly member na me impuntuo way back 2019 till date my home back to back inti senka assembly member inti na me pe impuntuo and can make say ka 2020 come 2019 come contest what you say but enye nunti na me impuntuo no started from 2019 but bre do na kodu bra Ira Charles Ntiamwa, the outgoing assembly member. I say Uncle B.
Okay.
And I see it to be say semi jinem emame manfo na se minya district support no eba be kan me wone ho a ye betimi akofa cause sometimes in project ni bi ho no ma nka assembly member you can lobby and get match what I say. So that's the reason why I said I take the opportunity.
Right, so this is your first time I'll call for this race.
Oh yeah, this is my first time.
From 2019, what are some of the projects? What are some of the things you did for when Chief was because okay, on my crown, you bet me I say oye way, you bet me the assassin your mommy and Sabi so it was on my crown or you way MIN. Brana even on your interest in contesting.
Brana minya interest in contest. The year 2019 abra COVID yeba 20 once say area ba somewhere 2019 ending basi 2020 yeah and you did in be man say COVID-19 or ba 2020 na edu yen you crew him ba o 2019 coming to 2020 abra COVID area could dey we buy school for asemi ade bia edamakoma so ye enti school for me mom hand sanitizer and nose mask sa ko si bra sebita fracture yare no den ekoye
school for when chinya.
My concept has always been the government schools because private schools now once they be anchor be there in any one when it comes to that
sure.
Even proprietor they be our school more into say any man touch them no but I fan say government school liquid soap asa teacher ni and headmaster or the salary tobacco first week na second week no on team because also at least also family ready or into sabre na sound cry then ye be money ye be boa into always my focus has been on the government schools into the government schools na do supplies no then and from 2019 my cassette to date and also mathematical set BEC students no every year be na me say on be mathematical set then the actual reception of 2022 pen and me anything but from 2019 to date no even from 2019 2020 2021 abra na me nye address interest bi ase me contest no na sa supply another way me dem support and me dem school for no and when you come to let's say recently mo your story be about KG blog be ebu RC
sure
me support ekope labor cost cause the whole project na wo share on budget na ade aneso on budget ni pa iron rod and aneso if you want man about labor cost and labor cost na ya de bi adane o ma dwendwen metimi find the labor cost me e ko bi group bi kabo mu ene o mo kasa so mo mbrɛ mu na mo mbɛbo so as we speak the labor cost has been scrapped away and am yankasa me sa eto mi bottom e mo 100 pieces of blocks and so mo friend support you mo sa school na me sa mom dexis because now she as we speak there's a death syndrome me am mom dexis so mo friend dey mo friend boa a school for insisi akra do school ni ma brand new dex be OBI is in my name and ko school be to say Presby brand am show me your interest crown Presby me mom brand new computer set and when we speak of a computer set it comprised with mouse keyboard monitor everything system unit everything set that's what we say a computer set and say bita fracture laptop because laptop you invention there in tertiary new secondary new edition but I do primary schools now send your man on a penacola ni do them more with me the behind then I practice until those are the things I meet me then I boss so see say brand I mean show interest no me then me and brand I mean show interest me yes me be show interest no there are a whole lot of projects and if I want to start by sector because enra easy free all the aspirants say obi enfa the manifesto anything and I was part me presenting my manifesto so I'll be very much glad say obe me I go on that and you get everything on point. So when you want to start from the manifesto, I'll start from education, which I've already mentioned the likes of COVID-19, any mathematical set, and I brought a whole package which was science and math quiz. Send your school for no. I feel got school need be on share questions beside that. And most of times no, you do form 3 and who send your money be. So by this time no, me the project be about which is a science and math quiz, the Aqua Foundation. You grew me from form 3. Okay. Form 1, JHS 1 to form 3. Prepare Wadrin with BEC, with BEC, you know. So you enter the mock EB this time you start with the science and math quiz, no. So the students will be there, no multi questions na everybody be. Omo ntimi answer near to our audience, no. That's how we are doing it. And the next project I must start. We are going around picking schools. Death syndrome, then a woman then you support Akoboa. And Salvation Army made the project, but I was trying a policy be. Because Osha Empatemo, even my crew wenchi. Your results and baby Bebano, Omo teen, the likes of 17, 18, a few, in your 3, 4, it's a single grade baby more 1. But 20 snake baby. And you could see, say, or how be sometimes 30 crown, not 30 won't.
Is it the students or the teachers or how?
Good. So I went in, said I was starting from a school. I was doing the piloting on the policy on the school. So I met the students, I met the teachers, and I'm sheer headmaster. At the end of it, then Kolana Samo Mokan, meaning I'm a cramp by your mama. Almost say, Omoko out now, and now some days in school. Omo dodo doing to number back class and no matter. And I'm saying, yeah, time so near do. Okay, let's give it a try. Into Form 3 2020 students no. Brian free die register my mama and dad ko si bra on the BC and omando no make sure say ibenya headmaster ne den ho ba for and yankopon shira no say me provide spray na enko chemicals na obebo spray no school mu am no ade na ho den
wow do sika ton we nyam o se na be yankwala ne nkodo
wow for them omonko ano me pese omod be do na ye shade and when the results no ever out no it was better. 13 was only 1 and 13 I was questioning the headmaster and as more be catch him and say it's because of some students no student no mba school ohana on time ba and the man opa so that tells you say our policy ni implement it across the whole schools of Wenchia meaning say be ejuma wow what you say so oko baby so to say you can say akekano part of us and akekano one say bita fracture you kronke to anymore no aya na sebi send ye be ya sikasem ho eye den kakra areas of farming no say na sikasem ho ye den and obi otro BC o Salvation Army not Akan no na obeko aba Eden
sikasem transportation
so I provided the whole bus say ediom beko na ediom Eden aba. That's the student point. And bra science and math quiz no me pick special students be it means say one say even science and math quiz are nationwide. We are in special students be it me mom scholarship. And per my opinion and the result outcome of the quiz no me pick students be am your man you say no, these students yes you bomb hoka they can come out with something better. And yes the other ones no your bomb hoka coming out with something better, but just to know say omo no me representatives no see your money a bomb so more. There are something special they are going to give us.
Some potential.
Good. So I met them and I asked them say, "Mo how on saying?" As mo catch them say, "Oh, and yes, MBA, or how I books." So I think I picked 3 students, and those 3 students, each person biano, your born hoka 570 Ghana cedis. But open them said none of the 470 books so demanding. The rest of them was 570 Ghana cedis. Manko ankoto. And say you have inflated price. I'm not interested in the price. I'm interested. Me interest here. Or at the end of it, there should be a result, right? And at the end of it, I think one of the students gave me 20. One of them was 21. The enemy many no it wasn't well. And me share the BMO busan say ban so unbelievable person on market. But because contest ni na no, she was crowned the best student.
Wow.
So how come? What you say? But we are hoping the best say going forward in your bed. And let me go to health. Over health, if we akikano, kwa brain row, toboase, and a tuhunfo. And whole health insurance renewal free edema ubia. It's based on say Metroye. I love it. Metroye because health insurance or project be like that. Say one hour won't be. And me crew the fact here then chamber for the yonsu mu bi a ho kire because me say me ho kire bi you mu bi a ho kire into Metro say me crew hanom a ho kire kakra den e wa ha into health insurance for bremu no mo beboa into omo ba mu so omo ba beboa ba bra omo ba time na your position na den na time no mo ye free no beba no na wanchi town no ankasa no obi etues ka so be yama wanchi town so what I have to do is say then my small villages no omo here and as we speak ya yama omo nina as we speak CCA and mosquito net obesha eba within 2 years no mo supply villages mosquitoes e wonom e was sure so what I did is say I love it and amenya a whole mosquito net in quantity then I supply to those villages and yare bi a friend say be born ho the ro kra my I say me some born ho the ro mpo happen cataract yeah me nana edi on the born say ete yare me pay I lobbied for an NGO which is in Thomas Hospital ye kan yare ho asem a the whole Ghana and many of mu dinkita ho say me chrome say yare ni bi ho kwan be so no be form be boa and ye ni NGO ne kasa NGO ne fa aka no so as we speak dodo na itimi submit your ho e baaye no and then me no work say ya te yare no operation free e dey amomo and me no work say sa yare no any hobby. So let's get to the point of sanitation okay the areas of Salvation Army holai na I think say in rural efuo baby a ne don na ye de ne nti ya bomma me ma chemicals no and na me nuanom bi na etu ho achefuo bi e bo spray e de ma wo free and then we call when your free bridge be said Dubai bridge papa Mr. Darko Zongo echi honom me na me constructed that
na get some mine come up Dubai.
Oh yeah, I think some cover cra mo be cover and cause ye wo me na sa lane no e wo honom ansuo fam and ade a ehye me eye me ya de kopa ne say me were passing medication so me free time be am to schools no and enya ha na me ba exams time kemeto ebusom say omo ha ne say nyese me ba assembly member no na bibia chin say because of your political line think about say result ebe den ebeba enti me to schools na me do class I think Presby was a class 3 or class 4 na madam ne say obebu student no and I say why den no say o eno wa ambe school you good student ni wone ho opese da acha kra no eye ni petitri nti na ni won ho nti na de wa ma school no na kra ne say oh madam me ba no me be hwe nsuo ni mam school atade no eye ba ko pe na madam ne say eye no kre no say ai no say wa paden no nti me fra kra na me busa ne say nsuo benya nto che nsuo no na eye ho no mo a na onua da ye bridge no ewie enipa dodo aba me fie abedamase na emu binum nso ade omo yare abekere me omo ka abekere me out of that bridge na near constructing obi koji loan of 1,000 cedis or the 10 diane waye diane ni sini 3 so no do nsuo nim
no wati ahwemu
ne nsuo egum na loan nsuo yekode we loan bi na ye chekere de ko onua eya homete so sa bridge ne nso me na me ye and zongo or pipe bi asem no work say it's ongoing say obobeye e dey amon ba we have to get a dialogue because me believe ni say yeah ade anywhere at the end of it no ade no whether we like it or not say yeah ese say timi ye den eye biem say me ma anye kra ese ade na timi ye no so whenever I solve the issue future no me hwese ade na e betimi ade solving the issues nti to say bitin zongo bridge obi bebuza say eneye ntabo ochina sebubu abede ne aye that's the reason why me seek mandate from me man for say omo me power na as assembly member na assembly member me make sure say that bridge in ye be capture in the assembly budget what you say na yetimi a capture be in cement salvation is the same issue and me make sure say the assembly budget will capture into the bia me sure me man for say ye to aba ma obi asebita frache or networking system unimu mpenifo it will be just a matter of phone call what you say it's not say the bia ye ko nipa ne ho what you say so back to the issue sa pipe no me na me and very soon ye the beba because I have to get a dialogue with the zongo community ni na me afa adwen say ye the be man kran na ye nkoye ne kapen ubegina ase na ebu ne no akate what you say enti say ya sa 10 pesos 20 pesos na ye dey tumu no sa 20 pesos na ye dey be dey ye dey be and with time no sa nkran no be free ho o manfo ne be dey ye ba be hye ho na ye dey ya dey repair cause see ye say ebra government ye man na ye MPB ye man ye no e say ne no MPB sa ba be ye and then say me no work say ye nye biem asay for the past 3 years ni ba ye nye what you say that's the reason why you very soon you be get a dialogue no na ya den ye wie and one slab be our community nim ye ramp of anim ho no mo ni fie anim that's the biggest slabs in Wanchi and that big slab alone I think it costs about 8,500 cedis there that slabs alone yeah cause I think omo use over 32 bags of cement and a day and sa slabs nen so me na me let's get to the point of energy say me no work say Wanchi ye street ni bebre esum won pa and my fix street bulbs bebre and my maintenance so e wo bebre ho obi bebusa say hemfa ne bi we started from salvation my me akua donko street ni so abefa yura do anim ho no mo e de be see yura ndalamte anim ho no ma ni na me na fix ye from ahemfie nanim ekosi filling station ho e de ekosi 21 afidie ni so e de betwam eko yura coordinator a guest house nechi ni na so me na me fix ye and wo hwe sa street na Akan obi bebusa se adan na yenye ye no nkakra cause wona aye obe fix ma me no me talk ramp a wona obe fix ma me no yankopon enhira omo yira obedu na me electrician obedu yankopon enhira no so ne ma omo tu omo ache se me baby a on bed am so let's get to the point of sports
na you far and FM because of time.
Okay, then if that will be the case, let me get to finance. Okay. I've been able to give 250 soft loans na lobby amen call for electoral area soft loans any loan could be we bio soft loans and I met me aboa amen call for one side Akan was our community
almost started business near there.
Oh yeah, I think those projects were started somewhere 2019 because me ba hon mba be hu say loans are ba me electoral area nim na no. It was high, the interest was very high, and untimi mfa nye juma ema won high o de ye juma at the end of it because I'm a finance person, I'm a banker. Until at the end of it me catch you say salon we ebekum and I say ebegu adwuma what you say. So I've been able to help over 250 women are omanya soft loans, and even some of the aspirants contesting no omu be the beneficiaries of it omu dey asha omu adwuma omu dey adwuma so enti say any oma we bi my boy memu wa more than 10 and enyu kada we can pay on a good condition abobo ya my boy nipa more than 3 enya abobo ya on a good condition as me no ka say omu dey adwuma. So those are the things as any oma we enye enyoma me ba me yo eye done.
Da wa ye wie de da.
Ya ma ye wie me no ka say na obi o etie me a so say o tra obetro more than 25 projects and right. Me di me sika shim over 25 projects and this is a project a complete what you say and me ba enyo me bi amaye to say library no me make sure say be restocking no obi be busa meka say obi be busa say obefa kwan best o hwe project amaye nyina I think say
it's just a connections
no and we have the resources. Say the MPP abanka so no omo men no. I have the resources and I have the men because we share a whole bridge now you constructing na. Bra na metueska ato enioma etua labor cost e de am obi se onkonko ye no. Na whole aspirant. And so tueska man say ma onye bridge no. Because me ya me person me gina assembly member nti no. E be gu nanimu ase. See. So you see, those are the things. And me ba, I'll make sure say, Osiewo facility no, it will work again. Say ye bedo donhone ne mpanifu akasa no de ama ene nya office ai be den ye be mu adwuma e wo hono and we will get a mini chip compound ama keka no because a whole population of 700 ain't me must de bia on be so omo